Suddenly, my heart is pounding so hard it feels like it's about to jump out of my chest. My hands are trembling, and I can feel the sweat starting to build up on my palms. It's like my body knows the basketball game is about to start, and it's in overdrive, ready for action. But let's take a look why this happens. Our nervous system is responsible for vitally everything we think, feel, and do. Therefore, it plays a significant role in our everyday lives, like playing a basketball game. Overall, the nervous system is divided into two divisions: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and its extensive, the spinal cord, which is also responsible for coordinating spinal reflexes. Contrastingly, the peripheral nervous system consists of the autonomic nervous system and the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is responsible for skeletal movement. It carries sensory information from the sensory receptors to the central nervous system and motor information to skeletal muscles. The autonomic nervous system is self-regulating, and it connects the central nervous system to visceral muscles, glands, and organs. Usually, the autonomic nervous system is involuntary, unintentional, and we can't control its occurrence. In addition to this, we tend to become consciously aware of the autonomic nervous system functions when there is an intense levels of emotions present in an individual. For example, if you are watching a horror movie, you would easily be aware of your increased heart rate and sweaty palms. In a nutshell, the autonomic nervous system is further divided into the subdivisions of the sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and the enteric nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for action. It increases the activity of visceral muscles, glands, and organs according to the incoming stress or threat and is linked to flight, fright, and freeze responses. On the other hand, parasympathetic nervous system aims to bring the body back to homeostasis. Therefore, it gradually decreases the activity of organs and organ system which were activated by the sympathetic nervous system's immediate response. Both sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system counterbalance each other's activities. Last but not least, the enteric nervous system is responsible for gastrointestinal functioning and is also self-regulating in some terms. Ultimately, now that we have briefed over the nervous system, we can understand how my nervous system was functioning in the basketball game. Because my heart was racing, palms was sweaty, and muscles felt tense but ready for action, my sympathetic nervous system was dominant. And after my basketball game, my parasympathetic nervous system gradually brought the increased heart rate, blood pressure, and sweat production to homeostasis. In addition to this, my somatic nervous system was coordinating the motor movement, while my central nervous system was vital as it acted like a control center of everything.